This can be the reason that changed your life. And this can be the reason that changed my life. This is why I can't stress enough. You need to start a YouTube channel. Honestly, everyone needs to start a YouTube channel. But I want to speak specifically to moms. So if you're not a mom and you're listening, this video is for you as well. If you haven't started a YouTube channel. So if you ever thought about sharing your story, building a side hustle, or just finding a creative outlet, starting a YouTube channel might be the perfect fit for that. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel today. Every individual is unique, including yourself. You have different experiences and you have a different perspective. And especially as a stay-at-home mom, I'm speaking for myself, I would say you have so much experiences that you can share with others. I know you probably think my life is boring. All I do is wake up and put together the place, maybe myself, and just show up for my kids. You need to switch the way you look at your life and realize that what you're doing right now is one of the most important roles in life. And that a lot of people benefit from you, from your unique experience. Because you know why? A lot of our other moms are actually struggling, but they don't want to say anything. Because society, I always try to search up different ways, different food ideas to see my picky toddler and what he's eating. Mom, if you out there and you know yourself and you love just finding different things to cook for your toddler, make a video on it. There is moms who would look for it and who would find you. You're going to build your community by just doing that, all right? You're going to create deeper connection and inspire a whole community. Just think about it from your simple life. At the end of the day, people are searching for someone just like you. The next thing you need to know, you don't need no fancy equipment. And I'm talking to not just theater mom, but anyone who wanted to start a YouTube channel. You do not need no fancy equipment. You have a phone that you're watching this video on. Everyone have a alright phone these days. You can just press record. That's all you need to do and start being yourself. Start sharing a story. I know of so many people who just start off sharing this story. 1, 2, 3 videos, maybe the 10th video, boom, take off. Monetize. Change their life. There is so much things you can do. I know the excuses might come. Queen, I have so many kids. I am constantly tired and busy. I have no time for myself. And there's so much things that we can say to ourselves. But the reality is, as a mother, especially as a stay-at-home mom, you need to do something outside of being a mom. If you're just being a mom and you're happy and you're fine with that, like, kudos to you. But majority of the people I have spoken to, they want to do something. They want to build something outside of being a mother. And why not a YouTube channel? You can be so creative. You can share the things that you like that would resonate with other people. This leads me to my next reading. You're going to be building a skill. It doesn't really matter what you decide to do, whether you do recipes or all of the above, or just share your story. Under that mom umbrella, there's so many different sections. So you would never run out of content, all right? And at the same time, if you don't know anything about YouTube, that's okay. You're going to find a really good hobby. You're going to learn the skill. Learn how to record a video. Learn how to edit a video. Learn how to communicate with others. Learn how to build a business, because this can turn into the most profitable business you have. So yeah, you're going to learn how to create content, how to edit your videos. You're going to learn marketing skills as well. You literally don't need to go to school for these things. These skills that you're going to learn is not just going to benefit you and YouTube. It's literally going to benefit other areas of your life. And that is one thing I have seen since putting myself out there on social media. I have gained so many skills beyond what I imagined. And trust me, I start off just like you, not knowing how to edit, frustrated, and now look at me. I can edit on my phone. It comes so simple to me, but it's only because I got started. And that's all you need to do, is just get started. And the good thing about starting a YouTube channel for anyone, for me, I wanted to be able to contribute financially to the household, because in this economy, it can get rough. So even though it's not instant gratification, as you're going to see the returns on your labor, just think about it as a long-term investment. This can provide that other stream of income that you have been searching for, that you have been wanting to provide for your family. YouTube can do that for you. Yes, you're going to be able to pursue your dreams, just like build a project from the ground up and see yourself grow in the process of doing that. It's an amazing feeling, and an amazing feeling to know that you can accomplish other things in life. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, now is the time to share your story. Now is the time that it's okay to be vulnerable, because you're going to be building a community unlike any other. When I started sharing my story on TikTok, I grew so fast because I had no idea other moms were struggling with motherhood or pregnancy or whatever the case might be. It wasn't me alone. It made me feel good to know that it wasn't me alone, but it was sad to know that why no one was speaking up about it. Even if you don't get a million views, that is okay. Trust me, you're going to be helping someone. On my other channel, where I talk about motherhood in general, I remember just starting off and I was like, am I making a difference? Am I doing anything? Because I wasn't seeing the views that I wanted to see, especially on YouTube versus TikTok. All right, it's very different platforms. Lo and behold, I was like, okay, maybe not. Maybe this is not for me. Maybe not. I got some DMs saying, thank you for your content. It really, really helps. No, I wasn't getting thousands of views, but it helped someone. It resonated with someone, and it inspired me to carry on and know that even if my video gets 5 views or 10 views, it's still worth it. So that's my message to you. If you haven't started a YouTube channel, just start. Sign up, start. Put your phone up and just start sharing your story. There's so many topics that you can talk about, because as a mom, trust me, we can talk about everything. Even when you think no one wants to listen to that story, yes, they want to listen to it, especially if you're a mom. I'm going to listen to it because it's a struggle and it's a life that nobody understands other than another mom. If you're hearing this message, now is the time to get started. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.